to an accomplished business family of par excellence that ran into multiple industries. Dr. Shankar Goenka left his family business and set up Wow Factors India Private Limited in 2006 to nourish his passion for building and refining human capital to help individuals and organizations for achieving super success. INCC cadet, theater, and stage artist, plays synthesizer, hockey player, an avid researcher, inquisitive learner and a competent professional who believes in inclusive growth and sustenance of mankind. Dr. Shinkar's exploration led him to specializing in whole brain thinking under the able guidance of Dr. Cobus Neethling, which formed the center pillar of all his training programs for his divergent audience. Strong believer of the mentor-mentee relationship, had great mentors in life and is very thankful. Travels across the globe on invitations from national and international bodies for speaking and training assignments through his offices in India and overseas, and is the recipient of a string of prestigious awards from India and abroad in creative thinking, transformational leadership, capacity building, women leadership, education, social work, and happiness. He has facilitated more than 5 lakh people and his clientele, which include an ocean of school children from 300 plus schools, universities from India and overseas, professionals, academicians, CEOs, judges, bureaucrats, business owners from more than 150 corporations, PSUs, ministries, NGOs, trained at NBI registered, South Africa, International Finance Corporation, World Bank, All India Management Association, AIMA, and many more training programs.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. This is something new.
Welcome, sir. You can start the session, sir. It's all yours. Sir.
Yeah. So all my participants, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Can I humbly see your great faces, please, if you don't mind? Can you kindly switch on your cameras, because then I will feel that you are there. Otherwise, I will feel you are not available to me. So if I can see you better, that would be wonderful. Thank you very much once again, ma'am, for inviting me for this prestigious program.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, participants. Thank you very much, sir.
In fact, sir, it is our honor and pleasure to have you here, sir.
Thank you very much. I truly appreciate the way you did a follow-up, and I could see there are many people, so many times the program kept on changing, but still we are there. So that is very important. So all my participants, very good morning. So please help me to understand what is your expectation out of me today. Yes, participants, can you please help me to understand what is your expectation from this session today? I could see DG, I could see DM, I could see RD, I could see DJ. So I could see Taslima ma'am, and I can see I have very good number of people over here. So Dr. Vikas Mishra ji, so Ramaiah Saab. So can you please help me to understand to all my participants, what is your expectation from me today? Dr. A, I believe you are there. Thank you very much. And I could see Nalesh Saab. So please help me to understand, what do you expect from this session today? And we have seen this Corona period, the kind of, ma'am, you won't believe it, in one point of time, I was doing a session and there was about 25,000 people attending the session. And now I can see as time grows, the participation has gone down to this level. And you have to keep on calling people, please come, program started, please come, program started.
That's true, sir.
The participants, please help me to understand what is your expectation today. P देवी साहब कुछ बोल रहे हैं. Can you please come online, sir? And I will. Participant, I have to hear to start program, but I would like to know from you what is your expectation from my session today.
Sir, where the sound is coming?
Pardon me?
I think, sir, you will have to log out from one computer because some sound is coming, sir.
Okay, now it is okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so participant, please help me to understand what do you expect out of me today.
It is about interpersonal communication.
Okay, communication. So you'd like to know about communication?
It is interpersonal communication.
Interpersonal. So Dr. Anuradha ma'am, thank you very much. So can you please help me to understand what is your understanding on communication?
Communication means conveying our ideas and then informations from one party to another. So making the other one understand about what is that we wanted to say to them or understand from us, do whatever.
Okay, so I believe, ma'am, if there's a breakdown in communication, there's a breakdown in trust. If there's a breakdown in trust, there is a breakdown in energy. And if there's a breakdown in energy, there's a breakdown in productivity. Yes or no? So we need to work on productivity, which is very, very important. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We just believe that, it is not important. But then let me understand and let us work it out that how we can take it to next level. Okay. Any other participant? Can you please help me, sir? My humble request to all my participants is let's make it more interactive than only listening to one side. Hello.
Sir, this is Ifra here.
Okay.
We will learn something. Yes, sir. We will learn something new. What I think.
Thinking or feeling, what is there? Do you feel this way or do you think this way? I do not know how many of you know me, but the way I conduct session is completely different because I am not here only to give you lecture and gyan. I am here to make your life more easy and sensible.
Yes, that's what I think from your profile, which I have read. It was very interesting, and then I also think that, and then I also feel that from out of the session, I will take something out of it, in which I can implement in my class.
Yes, very important. Whatever I'm going to speak to you today, you're going to have this thing in your class, in your personal life, as well as in your professional life.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So the day I conduct my session is I want to make it more interesting and more easygoing session for all of you. Dr. Vikash Mishra ji, what is your expectation from me today? Dr. Vikash Mishra sahab, if you are there, if you are not having tea, breakfast or something, I would be grateful if you
Good morning,
say.
sir. Good morning, sir. I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are very much audible, sir. Doctor, you are audible.
Yes, certainly. I'm looking forward to certain new aspects and new avenues which are going to add value and dimension to my understanding of the topics and which can be more probably introduced to my students and to my teammates. That is what I am looking for.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Dr. Naushad. Dr. Sharmila ji. K. Sharmila. Anyway, so what we can do now, let's take it forward. And my request to all of you is, I want you to show a small video. So enjoy this video and please help me, and then we take it forward. Madam, is the sound audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Okay. Wonderful. I'm starting now. Yes, team. Yes, my great audience. Please help me to understand what was there in this video.
It was a relationship between the mother and the son. The son was busy and mother had called him, but he was not attending the call. And later on, as mother was not, the son was not picking up the call, mother brought the lunch to him.
Then
The thing is that I had not gone through that subtitles, but it was like that he took the lunch and at the time his behavior was not good. Later on, I think that he felt something, he got some feeling and then he catch his brother and they were dancing or somewhat like that.
Yeah, so what happens, ma'am? Many
This is
times.
Dr. Ansari.
Yeah, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Truly appreciate Dr. Ansari. Dr. Ansari, it was very simple. When the mother got in the lunch, the boy says, "What the hell is this?" Everyone was looking at him. But when he went back to his table, he saw his mother's picture and then he realized, "Oh shit, man." And he came back and he says, "Ma'am, come on." And then he tried to just have a fun with her and everyone around him, he liked it. So what is the learning? Can I ask my other audience, please?
Sometimes we do not understand the feelings and emotions. We are busy with our own schedule and we think that we should give priority to it. Whereas at the same moment, we are supposed to know about the feelings and emotions of others too.
Yes, wonderful. That is what I'm going to cover today. That many times, when I was young and I had learned a line, it says, if you can't understand my silence, you can't understand my words. So many times understanding silence is more important than understanding words. Are you with me?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Wonderful. Yes, Dr. Anuradha, what is your takeaway on this? Hi, ji, Anuradha ji.
Yeah. Actually, what I understood is everyone should be aware of what the other people are feeling towards us, and then we should be able to get what is that they are trying to say to us.
So now please help me to understand. Most of the time, what we do, we keep on thinking about ourselves or we keep on thinking about others.
We keep on thinking about ourselves, but we should not be like that.
Yes, very, very good. So my point of discussion today morning is, it is very easy to say, it's very easy to blame others, but it is very difficult to look into yourself. And that is what life is all about. It's so easy to make noise. It's so easy to blame others. It's so easy to talk about others, but it is extremely difficult to get into yourself. That is what life is all about. Wonderful. Yes, Dr. Rudresh, can I please have your opinion, please? I have, yes. Yes, Dr. Rudresh, if I could hear you, sir. I also have Dr. A. Palani Appan, if I could pronounce it well. I also have Mr. Paliyappan. Yeah, thank you very much. I'm sorry for my pronunciation, but I was trying to just get into you, ma'am. Thank you very much. So, ma'am, what is your opinion? Vanakkam. And we also have Dr. Mohsin Khan Saab. What is your opinion? I could see a ma'am from Bangladesh as well. No, 40, 8.5 ka nahi ma'am. So Hamza ma'am, I believe no one is interested in discussion. And it is extremely not fair on my part to take session if the participants are not interested. I do not want them to be there just for the sake of being there. I have done a lot of homework for your session, and I really want to impart whatever I have learned in my life so far.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, we don't have the internet connection is so bad that we are not able to see the video fully. Actually, we could only see the parts of some videos. So from that, I'm not able to get anything.
Okay. So
past 15 minutes, the internet has come up and down. Actually, not able to see the video fully. Actually.
Okay, no problem. So Dr. Saab, thank you very much. So can you please help me to understand what is your expectation from my session today? So I will not run the video. I will delete my further videos.
No, not like that actually.
No, that is okay. No, that is perfectly all right. But can you please help me to understand what do you expect out of my session today?
Okay, so can you give us regarding how to use our EQ in our teaching? Emotional quotient, how to implement it in our daily life? That would be useful for us, even a professional and private life also.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, first class. Okay, so now let's go to next level, and maybe I'll be able to, my participant would be, let them understand. So now looking at this slide, what do you see here?
Dog.
What do you see in this video?
Dog is dragging the guy.
No, so can you please help me to understand what do you see in this video in my session?
So
the man is going for a jog, and he doesn't want to hold it, so he's tied it around his waist.
So what I understand is that whether the dog is leading his boss or his boss is leading,
Yeah, very good. So who should lead?
Anyone for that matter.
The dog should lead or the man should lead?
The man should lead,
sir. Sir, according to the convenience, because they are close to each other. So it's all about not taking each other for granted.
And the other perspective which could be, sir, it's like a good relationship between both of them, sir.
Okay, very good, very good.
And it's like that they are enjoying, they are together, sir.
Okay, so you mean to say, but see the other part of it. All of us in life, someone else is controlling us. Yeah, you are very much audible, sir. What I'm trying to ask you, sir.
One perspective is that, sir, that this is about motivation. That from getting motivation from his owner, that dog, he is also trying to whatever that owner trying to do, that dogs also wants to try in his shoes. So this is also a kind of motivation for both of them.
So according to you, please help me to understand that in life, what I feel, since we don't have a control on our thought process, someone else is monitoring us. Someone else is having control on us.
in this machinery world, we can tell, sir, because with all the timetable and all the things that human beings are so inclined towards to do the things in a less time. Yes, it is correct only that someone is monitoring us, or whether to get some career growth, or to get money, or to get all those kind of things, our goals, we are running. We all are running.
We all are running. Okay. And now we do not know either we are running in the right direction or are we running in a wrong direction. Am I right?
Partially we can tell, sir.
Partially we can tell that. You know why? Because at this point of time, there are two kinds of people on this world. There are one kind of people who get up in the morning and they know that they have a goal in front of them. And what they do, they make a bullet, they make a sound, they make a hit on that goal, because they know this is my goal. Now there is again second category of people. They also get up in the morning, and what they do when they get up in the morning, they make a shoot, and wherever bullet goes, they put a goal that this is my goal. So please help me to understand, the first part is good or the second part is good?
The goal should be set first, sir. Then according to that, we should take our process, or we should make it. Also, according to this, we can tell the first part is correct only.
Okay. So 99%, sir, people in this world, when they get up in the morning, they do not have a goal in front of them. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what I want to tell you today, that please set a goal for yourself, which is extremely important.
Sir.
And please, participant, please help me to understand how many of you agree with me.
So yes. I have a question.
Please ask.
The question is, sir, see, sir, generally we are having two types of goal: individual goal and organization goal. I am working in an organization, so definitely I am supposed to go with the organization goal, and I am having my personal goals too in my life. It is related to health, it is related to my career growth, and some things like that. So if you want to focus on this point, so yes, we are controlled by the organization goal, but when it comes to our personal goals, so we are looking after those goals with regards to our control. So every one of us, whether he is a person which is not having a goal, but he's having a temporary plan that he will be waking up at 12 in the morning and he will be taking this lunch and this all thing. Whether the goal is useful or not, it is a secondary thing. But every one of us is having a goal. It could be minor goal and major goal.
No, 1 second. You said two statements. Number one is professional goal and organizational goal. And second, you said that every one of us has a goal. But sir, yeah, please.
No, sir, continue with it. Personal goal versus professional goal. Organization goal will be counted as a professional goal. Personal goal could be anything, regards to your health, regards to your family, regards to anything, sir, regards to skill development.
Yeah, but what I'm trying to say, sir, you said 2 points. Number one, that everyone has a goal. But sir, the research says 99.9% people do not have goal in their life. They think their fantasy is their goal. So there is a big difference in goal and fantasy. And so I'm going to take you through this program, that please understand and please create a plan for yourself. And what it says is, the plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. What we do in our life, see, whenever you see a movie, what you do, you come out and then you says, wow, man, from this Monday, I will start jogging. I will start morning walk. I will start exercising. And honestly speaking, that Monday never comes.
My take is here, sir, regarding this Sarwar Alam sir thing about the goals, individual goals and professional goals, or individual goals and organizational goals. Actually, somewhat I know about this one, sir. I want to give my take. Might be you can correct me. Suppose
Please.
If you are talking,
see, Dr. Saab, 1 minute. 1 minute. Dr. Saab, please remember, we are not here for right and wrong. We are only here how I can help you to go to next level. That is simply what I'm trying to do with you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure. Sir, what I know about that individual goals, if we are talking, and professional goals. So, if we want some development or a career enhancement, so it should be synchronized in a way that our individual goal should be a part of our organizational goal. So, if the synchronization will be there from the professional, our individual goals and organizational goals, then it will be better for both of us, whether organizations, whether individual employees. So this is my take according to this.
Yeah, first class. So my humble request is, please set a goal for yourself first.
Sir.
So I'm sure all of you have traveled by airline. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So when you travel by airline and when the air hostess says, in case of emergency, please put a mask on yourself. And they say even the child is sitting next to you, first put a mask on your face and then put the mask on the child next to you. So the first requirement is you need to help yourself. First, set a goal for yourself. When you get up in the morning, you should know where I should go. And then only things go to next level. Are you with me, sir? Sir, this is something very, very important in today's time. To all my participants, what I want to tell you is, please, it's so easy to make noise in life. It's so easy to blame others, but it's so difficult to look into yourself. And that is what I'm trying to say. So I'm showing you a slide which is written in Hindi, but I will translate it to English. It says, all human beings, everyone is having so much of knowledge, so much of gyan. They are good at taking gyan and they are very good at giving gyan. But the worst part is no one applies that gyan. So my humble request to you, all of you today is, please, whatever you are learning, please get into the next level. Now in this slide, can you please help me? What do you see here?
It's what
13, all right. Yes, please. I can see only 2 participants are taking part. Yes, sir. What do you see here?
It is a numerical digit 13.
Pardon me?
It's a number 13.
It's a 13 number. Yes, other participant, can you please help me to understand? What do you see here?
Alphabet B. Alphabet B.
In Hindi, it is fits Tera.
Alphabet B.
So someone is saying B, someone is saying 13, right? Now what do you?
In Hindi, Tera.
So now what it is look like?
Now it is alphabet A, B, C, and C.
Right? And now what do you see?
13.
Now it is a numbers 12, 13, and 14.
So in the same way, when you see this, you do not know whether it is 13 or B, but now you are sure that it is B, and now you are sure that this is 13. Am I right?
Correct, sir. Correct.
In the same way, your personality, the people opposite to you will presume the way you present it to them. So please, when you move around, have a company like this. And I want to share a small story with you on this. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, pizza always confuses me. He says it comes in a square box. When you open it is round, and when you start eating it, it is triangle. He says life and people are like pizza, look different, appear different, and behave, of course, absolutely different. So the point I'm trying to say is, friends, that everyone opposite to us, create a meaning out of you. It is very important for us. We need to learn the art of presenting ourselves. To all my great faculties across India, my humble submission to all of you is, please work on yourself, which is extremely, extremely, extremely important for all of you. And it says all the business problems are packaged personal problems. So my great audience, and the sir, when you are saying that personal goal and professional goals. So first create a personal goal. Once you have a personal goal, then only you can create a professional goal. Any question, please? Any questions so far? But are we going okay? Am I too slow or am I too fast? Dr. Rudresh?
No, sir, you are going very perfect. You are going very perfect. Really, I am very thankful to you and to Nikhat Hamsaber for arranging this session. It's really going fine.
Thank you. Dr. Ramaiya, Dr. Taslima Ahmed Saab, Madam, and Adityanji, sir, can you please, can I have your comment on this, please? Dr. A. Palani, ma'am. Palani Appan. Dr. Rudresh, can you please?
Sir,
Sarwar Alam Ansari Saab, please come out with your question. Otherwise, there is no point having this session, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Can you please illustrate with some examples, sir? Like personal goal, like how should we have a personal goal in the sense, what do you actually mean, sir?
Very good. Very, very good question. That is why I want you to ask me question so that I can answer. So I will tell you a story of mine.
Okay, sir.
I studied in a school called Pilani, which is in Rajasthan. It's a Birla school. I came to class 10th. I asked my friends what kind of subject I should choose. And they told me, Shankar, take accounts. I said, why accounts? And they told me, Shankar, because you have to study less. So that was the time I took accounts and I got into education. So all my participants, I'll just give you concept. Okay. So all my participants, the point I'm trying to say, I took accounts and I went to Bombay, started doing my BCom, and I started doing BCom. In 87, 88 was the time when people wanted to do MBA. So I called up my dad and I said, Dad, I want to do MBA. And my father fired me. He says, you are a son of a Marwadi, you must do CA. And I said, Dad, I want to enjoy CA. He said, I'm not concerned whether you enjoy it or you don't enjoy, but you must do this. And I had no choice listening to him. And then I studied abroad and I came back and I started following my father's business. My father is a known industrialist in India and I was handling all his factories. 10th October 2006, I went to him and I said, Dad, I don't want to be an industrialist. So he says, what the hell you want to do? I said, Dad, I want to be a teacher. And the minute I told him that I want to be a teacher, he had thrown me out of his house. I came to Delhi and that point of day, I decided that I want to be a teacher. And today, I'm simply a teacher. But that is what I love and enjoy in my life. I have made a goal for myself that I will do more studies, and I have divided my goals into 4 portions. I have a physical goal, I have a social goal, I have a spiritual goal, and I have a wealth goal. So to all my participants, if any one of you sincerely want to work on yourself, you are more than welcome to come to me at a personal level, and I will help you by setting up your goal. So what science and what research says that many people, they tell me, sir, is there goal only one? No, you can have a number of goals. But those goal has to be workable, and those goal has to be serious, and those has to have some meaning out of it. And also goal means it has many people, they tell me, sir, I want to be happy. Now being happy is not a goal, because because happiness cannot be constant. So for example, if you're teaching, your goal should be what difference I can bring it in people's life. Before you bring difference in people's life, you need to sit across the table and you need to create a goal for yourself. What difference I want to bring in my life? Did I answer your question, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But please ask if you are not clear anywhere. I'll be more than happy to answer your question, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. So okay. You just mentioned physical, social, spiritual, and
wealth. Your health goal, your wealth goal, your social goal, and your spiritual goal.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then on this, if you need more information, I have a very simple email ID, sg@shankargoenka.com, or you can just Google Shankar Goenka, and I'm sure you will have little information about me, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, in the chat box, or Madam Hamza will give you my email ID and my contact details, and my mission in life and my vision in life. I want to mentor 1 lakh people in helping them in setting up their goal. And to my all audience, the message I want to convey you is, I am a teacher by choice, not by force. And I enjoy what I'm doing. Also to my participant, what I want to tell you is, please, I want 4 of you to tell me what are your hobbies. What you like in life. Can you please come forward? Dr. Ramaya, Dr. Taslima ma'am, Dr. Adityan sir, Mr. Mohsin Khan sir, Sarwar Saab, can you please help me? What do you like in life? Or what is your passion in life?
Writing.
Pardon me?
Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear all of you.
Yeah, my passion is to write, actually.
Oh, you want to be writer?
Write books.
Okay. So have you written any books, sir?
Yeah.
Hello? Have you written any books, sir? You have not written a book.
Written in the books, actually. I have written a book, but I haven't published it yet.
Why?
Small stories.
Why you are not published, sir? Adityan sir, can you please help me to understand why you are not published?
I don't know, actually. I didn't feel like publishing, maybe. Maybe I think maybe rework more. Whenever I have find time, I write a lot, actually.
Okay. So you yourself are not convinced? You yourself are not convinced why you not written the books?
Yeah. Work in progress, actually.
Okay. So Dr. Mayank Pandya sir, what is your takeaway? Dr. Mishra ji, can you please help me? What is your passion in life?
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, sir.
Okay. Ideally, the passion is to I'm basically teacher, and I'm teaching off the track, like the people, those who are teaching in a conventional way. I wanted to teach a student not only the domain subject, but also the life skills to the students. So that would be attracting more to deal with the students.
So my question to you is, what you have done on that, sir, to teach life skills to the students?
Yeah. So like I'm meeting the student often, frequently outside the class, knowing their difficulties, and try to make them out of the box, making some groups, some club, and putting them and expose them to the society away from what they are learning right now.
Okay, now please help me to understand, what do you see in this slide?
When they are in classroom, they are with very fixed mindset, but when they are outside of the classroom, they have a lot of thought in their mind, which based on the exposure they are doing. Like I have seen many of the students, those who are poor in their regular subjects, but they are doing extraordinary tasks and the work. Say for, I will give you one example. One of the students, and we have made one club. The club, the name of that club was a Rekind Union. The purpose of that club is to help the students, those who are like, they are fresher students, they are not so habituated to the area what they are not belong to. Now these students, those who are making this club, are helping and holding their hand and come up and improve their personalities.
So when you say, I'm sorry to interrupt. So when you say, when they're in the class, they are inside the box, and when they come out of the class, they are out of the box, right?
True.
But sir, don't you think many times we also do the same mistake?
Obviously.
So what do you feel, sir? We have to first work on ourselves, or we have to work on others?
Yeah, that's what the practice that we have started. Now, the atmosphere which is outside the classroom, now we supposed to bring inside the classroom. And because now it is a very much, see, there are three things. One is creativity, second is problem solving, and third is innovation. These three are the need of our. Now, out of one, I am focusing right now, out of one is creativity, and I come to know that the creativity is also a skill. It is not something that creativity is a God gifted. So we try to make the atmosphere of the classroom by deploying certain pedagogy in the classroom, so that these students will be habituated with those atmosphere and then easily miscible in the society. So that is the whole task that we have took upon. And although whatever you do, this is a sea. Whatever you are doing is just drop of the sea entire. We just started. I don't know when. It is an endless process. As you said that this is the endless process.
Okay. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for speaking your heart on this. Now, my all audience, can you please help me to understand, what do you see on the screen?
A dot.
A dot.
A dot, sir.
Okay. So now my participant
with the white background, sir.
So now my two audience, in the whole screen, dot is only 3%. And the rest area is 93%. So why in life it happens that we don't see the white space than the dot? Are we supposed to see the white space, or are we supposed to see the white or the dot?
Actually, we are
obviously,
more focused on the
I
thing
think
we
yes,
is.
sir.
Can we speak one by one? Yes, sir.
Sir, our brain looks for patterns, sir. So the pattern here is there's a single dot.
So what I'm saying, sir, the point I'm trying to convey here is many times in life, whenever you work with someone, whenever you live with someone, whenever you do job with someone, what happens in life? We always see the negative portion, not the positive portion. So many times it happens, many times people say, oh man, I was doing all the time good for you. And you make one mistake and people dose you out. In communication, for an effective communication, it is very important to see both sides of a picture. Are you with me, sir? I want
Yes,
all
sir,
my
we are with you.
I want all my participants, if you can kindly take a picture of this slide and keep it with you. So to go to next level, what you have to do, first focus on important tasks to be done the same day. The second part is do important but not so urgent stuff to be scheduled. The third is what urgent but less important, delegate it to others, and don't do what neither urgent nor important. Now, sir, if you take a list of 7 things of last 7 weeks, you will see 80% of things you have done which were not important. And what I want to ask all my participants, one of you said you like to write books. So now you got 4 books in front of you. And there is one line common in all the 4 books. Can you please help me to understand what is that one line? There is one line common in all these books.
Is it the international bestseller, sir?
Okay. Yeah, so the one line is bestsellers. So, madam, can you please help me to understand? Are the authors supposed to sell or are the authors supposed to write?
Sir, I think both the things he need to do, sir. He need to write as well as he need to sell.
Yeah, but what is bigger? What is more important?
I think selling is more important.
Selling is more important. That is why.
And leave the rest to the audience.
Yeah. Unfortunately, this group is hardly responding at all.
Yes, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you very clear, ma'am.
Yes, that's what I'm telling, sir. Emote your feeling and leave the rest to the audience to decide.
Yeah. So audience, please help me to understand. And you being all professors, you being having all PhDs.
So
this particular slide is very important for all of you in your personal and professional life. So please discuss with me this particular slide so that you all can go to next level.
Sir, may I speak, sir?
Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah, the thing is that, sir, you have put up 2 things in front of us, whether a writer should write or sell. So, sir, a writer should write. This is his prior thing, and he should do it because he's passionate to write. But on the other hand, he should project and present himself well, as you told. So, selling is so equally important now.
Yeah. Selling. Yeah, thank you very much, sir. But to all my professors, Indra.
May I come, sir?
Yeah, please come.
Actually, this is about, we know, at least I know that most of us know about this book, You Can Win, written by Steve Khera or other book. Okay. So actually, this is all about catchy promotion from different authors. That how to promote in a way so that
So please help me. So you know, participant, you being all professors, you being all having PhD, please discuss this slide with me, because it's going to change your life and career. I'm telling you, professors. So please discuss this slide as much as you can with me. Yes, sir.
This particular it is universal because the international bestseller. So the qualities for universal selling are acceptance by everyone.
Okay. I want other audience also to come in, please.
I think we have to write in such a way that it has to sell also, not just writing is enough.
Okay. Okay. So can I request Dr. Dr. Munmohan ji, Dr. Rudresh ji, Dr. Josh Prakash ji to please speak on this. What is important, only writing or also selling?
Sir, writing and communicating what they want to say in a way that other people are able to understand and also implement, sir.
Oh, okay. Dr. Lakshmi, can I please hear from you? Dr. Lakshmi, please. Dr. Sajid, sir, can I please have your opinion? Can I have?
Good morning.
Yeah, Dr. Munmohan. Yes, please.
Dr. Lakshmi.
Yeah.
In my point of view, writing is the perception of author. The productive points and effective points that should be communicated. But at the same time, selling is also important, because without reading, how can we disseminate the information? So that is also important. That is my point of view, sir.
Okay, so my humble request to all my participants, don't worry about your point of view. There is nothing right and wrong in this. There is nothing good or bad in this. It is only our understanding. And my job to bring all of you is to take you to next level. So the point I want to tell. So can I request Dr. Sharon Priyaji please to speak on this? Or can I request Dr. Usha Sete to speak on this? We know her, sir. You want to say something, I believe.
Yes, sir. Sir, it all depends upon the content of what the person wants to share, sir. If it is something unique thing that they are bringing in, then people will accept it, sir. Otherwise, there are many books, so it all depends upon what unique things that the writer is trying to convey.
Sir, my only discussion here is, please help me to understand whether writing only is important or sharing is also equally, or selling is also equally important, because this particular thing is going to help all of you in your life.
So selling is also equally important, because without our purpose will not be served. It will be only with us.
So to my great audience, yes, ma'am, please, sorry.
The writer should focus on his writing. If the writing is good and it touches the audience, definitely it will sell, sir. That's what I believe.
Okay, so madam, that is why, I requested all of you to please speak, because even there are many authors, they have written very beautiful books, but they are not able to sell. Why? Because selling is an art and everyone is not an artist. So why I wanted to stop here is, I want all of you to see one book, and as a professor, as an audience, it is going to help you in an extremely big way. Can you see this book?
John C. Maxwell.
It is by John C. Maxwell.
Yes.
And this session is on communication. And this is the best book of my life. It says, everyone communicates. Only few
Connect.
Can you see this book? It says everyone communicates, only few connects. What does it mean? It means there are many people, they keep on communicating, but they don't connect. In life, what is important? Communication or connecting?
Connecting.
Connecting is important. So the good communication happens only when there is a connection established.
But, sir, I'm not getting the screen.
Pardon me?
Screen is not visible.
What is not visible, sir?
Display screen. Sometimes it's going and coming.
Sir, I do not know. There's a big challenge of communication, and the screen is not coming up and up and down.
Sir, I think now it is visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
So audience, okay. So audience, can you please help me to understand what is the age of an elephant?
It can be more than 100 years.
Live up to 100 years. 100,
Okay.
150.
Okay. So elephant age is 56 years. But when it is in wildlife, when it is in jungle, and the same elephant, when it comes to zoo, its life is only 17 years. You know why? Hello?
No, sir.
The freedom of movement that is restricted.
And same thing happened with us, ma'am. Same thing happened with us, with all our human beings, because we have blocked our mind, we have blocked our communication, we have blocked ourselves by speaking to people. We don't share our ideas, we don't communicate with people very frankly and openly. So my humble request to all my audience and participants, please learn, please work on your communication, please work on your personality, which is extremely, extremely important in life.
Sir, we are surrounded by some toxic peoples too. It's impact on us.
So let them do it now. What we can't see if there are people creating problems. It is their job, it is their challenge, not our challenge. Why should we fall them? And that is what I have been trying to work it out with since morning, that please do not worry about others, other people. Let's focus on ourselves. We waste our energy. We waste so many things because we go by people and we don't focus on ourselves. So my message to all of you is 85% of your financial success is due to your personality. Please work on your personality. Please work on your communication. Please work on your negotiation skills. Please work on your leaders. You know, sir, in our country, 90% people are followers, not leaders. And I want to tell all of you guys that only 15% is due to your technical knowledge. So if you work on your negotiation skills, if you work on your speaking power, if you work on your communication, it's going to help all of you. And second thing I want to tell you is, many times people comes to me, they say, oh, Dr. Goenka, I have not harmed anyone, I do good to everyone, then why it happens with me? And I always tell them that how people treat you is their karma, and how people react is your karma. So please work is more important than knowing and following people. And I always say, friends, don't think too much. Just do what makes you happy. Are you with me, guys? Now here I want to stop. Here I want to stop, and I want to understand from you what is the takeaway to all of you from my session so far. Because there is no point. There is no point. I show you another 50 slides and I see no takeaways from this session.
So the importance of connect.
Yeah. So can you kindly switch on your video, sir, when you speak to me? And there are 49 participants. I want each one of you to come online and speak to me on this, maybe for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, please. And I also want to share my contact details with you, so that in case post session, if you want to connect with me, you are more than welcome to speak to me and talk to me on this, please. So first of all, please, these are my contact details, and you are more than welcome to speak to me, sir. I hope you can see my contact details.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can get connected with me on anything, whatever the way you want it. And now let me understand what is your understanding on this session today. Yes, Adityan sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, first of all, coming online, sir.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you and I can see you, sir.
Yeah. So actually, as per the John C. Maxwell, you told that everyone has to communicate, and you also, while your communication, we have to connect. And I have a question actually: how to connect?
Yeah. How to connect? Yeah, very, very good question. So the question is, you need to work on yourself first. Let us understand, who am I? When you understand yourself, then only you go to next level, and then you understand people.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am Chandra Kumar from RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru, sir.
Yes, namaskaram, sir. Welcome.
Namaskara, sir. So, yeah, thank you, sir. So, today's takeaways are the importance of connect and also working on ourselves instead of getting disturbed by the surroundings. So that is what I could gain, sir.
Yeah. So what I want to ask you, sir, but 90% time what we do?
We try to get bothered by the surroundings.
Yeah, and 90% time we keep on thinking, we keep on talking about others. We don't keep on working on ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any further question from me, sir?
No, not really, sir, because it's also a simple thing to work on ourselves, but it's a lifelong process. So that is what is
So Chandran sir, till the time we are alive, it is good to understand ourselves.
Yes, sir.
If you are not alive, then it's a different thing. But if you are alive, then it is better to work on ourselves.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
You're working on, you're telling us to work on ourselves. Can you tell us how to work on ourselves?
Can you, Adityan sir, can you switch on your video?
Hello? You are not audible. Hello?
Yes, Adityan sir.
Hello? Did you get my question, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did you get my question?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. How to work on ourselves. What are your strategies to work on oneself?
Hello. Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, Adityan sir.
You are not audible, so did you get my question, sir?
Yes, please. Yes, please ask your question. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of other disturbances.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Please ask.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
So I think today's takeaway for me was the style schedule.
Sir, you have to go out. Leave it, please. Yes, Usha, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Usha, ma'am, I can see you.
So I think today's takeaway for me, it was schedule, do first, delegate, and I think it will definitely help me in scheduling the work task.
So, Usha, ma'am, you mean to say scheduling is important and?
Yes, it is important, and what you can say, dividing the things into priority list, it really helps.
And how about communication?
Yes, obviously it is very important.
It is very important. Also, ma'am, since I work on facial expressions.
Okay.
My subject is facial expression. So that is why I always tell people to switch on your videos, because you know our face has 44 muscles. Okay. How much? 44 muscles.
Yes.
We use only 4 muscles to eat.
Only 4 muscles to read.
To eat.
Eat, okay.
And 40 muscles.
Okay.
Shows what is going in your heart, and whatever is going in your heart comes on your mind, on your face.
Yes.
You're getting my point? That is why many times people opposite to you, they say, "Oh, Usha, how come you are looking? Something happened good with you?" Or they may ask you, "Oh, Usha, is everything okay with you?" Especially if you are upset or if your mood is not good, your mothers are the first one to ask, "Usha, is everything okay, beta? Or something gone wrong? Or he said you this, or he said you that?" That is how it happened. So I wish today the connection is not good. Otherwise, it would have been a pleasure to take you through a small journey and make you understand then what I'm good at, what are my hobbies, what I want to do in life, what I want to achieve in life. I would have taken you through that.
I would definitely love to listen to you from that.
So maybe next time we will have some better connectivity, but you are more than welcome to come to me anytime, ma'am. I have shared my contact details with you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. So Gomti, Dr. Gomti, can you please you raise your hand because you want to ask? So thank you very much, Usha ma'am, and can I request Gomti ji, please come online.
Yes, sir. This is Gomati from Congo Engineering College, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Namaskaram.
Yes, sir. It's a very great thing to be part of your class, sir. And takeaway from home is that I broke away from your session. Learned about that we have to focus in our work and how to concentrate in the work, sir. And even about karma and all. So it is really very useful for us, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you, ma'am. So what is your takeaway?
Sir, learn to prioritize my work and to give more concentration, more focus on my work, sir.
No, wrong. Work is secondary. Focus on yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Work will automatically happen.
Yes.
If you don't focus on yourself, nothing is going to happen.
Okay, sir.
Don't do this mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Can I request Dhani Keval, sir? You raise your hand. Unmute yourself. Yes, Praveen Ukeji.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Yes, sir. What is your takeaway?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible, sir. Please.
Yeah. Very good morning, sir. It's nice to hear from you. The words which you have given, like how to connect to the people particularly, and right to be focused on ourselves. So that will be the most important part of the life, rather than focusing on the work or maybe on the other things. It is always better to focus on us, think of us, so that it will be give you the more short of what we can say is a fruitful outcome from that. So that's what we can learn from.
And sir, it is very important to create a goal for yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And Dr. Asif Hassan, sir, can I have your opinion?
Yes, sir. Right. First of all, the thing is like that, to set a goal for ourselves. That's what we have to do, what we have to achieve. The second thing that we have to focus, or we have to invest in our career, we have to think about ourselves, that how to be healthy and how to be in a conscious mind, so that we can work. And the secondary part is our work. But one point I want to make it here, sir, that might be if you can cover something like that about balanced life between professional and personal life. If something you can put some effort on that one, we would be very happy, or I would be very happy.
Wonderful. So, Dr. Asif Hassan, sir, in this digital world, in this technology world, please understand there is nothing called work-life balance. There's only thing is you have to balance, you have to learn to balance yourself. Because nowadays, what happened earlier, you are working at office, when you go home, you switch off everything. But nowadays, there is nothing like this. Nowadays, you have to be on the toes, you have to be on the job all the time. So while doing job, you have to make sure that you do not affect your personal life, and you do not mix your personal life with your professional life. What happens in life, you take your home to office and you bring your office to your home. And you need to learn how to balance both the things at one time. In any of my other sessions, I will help you and I will work with you on a research which has won Nobel Award in 1981 called whole brain thinking. And that is the point of discussion I will connect with you next time when your college allows, or maybe on a personal level or an individual level, that how we can go to next level. That is what is very, very important for you in your life to learn, sir.
It would be an honor for me.
So Dr. Asif, that is how we'll connect. So please remember, there is nothing called work-life balance.
Sir. Thank
you.
you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
This is Chandra again, sir.
Yes, Chandra sir. Yes, welcome, sir.
Yeah, you showed that slide of elephant when it is in jungle. It lives for a longer life. Can you elaborate briefly on that, sir?
Yeah. So in that slide, what I wanted to tell you is what happens in life. We always block ourselves, and we keep on giving negative command to our brain. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I have this problem. Oh, I have this challenge. Oh, my seniors are not helping. Oh, my juniors are not helping. Oh, my luck is not with you. So what happens when you block your mind gets the same command. And when you give the same command to your mind, you never go to next level.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. Thank you very much. Can I request Dr. Rafiq? Razak Sheikh Saab, can I request Dr. Nirmala ji? Can I request Dr. Senna? Sinoj Joseph Saab to please tell me what is your understanding today. Dr. Vikash Mishra ji, I can see great audience in front of me today, and I wish I could have more conversation out of you. Dr. Sarita Rathi ji is there. Please help me. What is your understanding and learning today? Very important for me. Yes, please.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
My takeaway today is we should try to be, more. First, we should try to set our goals. We should be focused. We should try to be productive, and we should strengthen and hone our skills, upgrade ourselves, and we should be optimistic, sir, in life.
I could see you had many learning out of this. But tell me one learning, what you're going to implement in your life.
I already introduced you, sir. I try to, concentrate more on my solutions rather than on my problems, sir. This is what I have learned. And
so, are you going to make some notes?
What, sir? Sorry, I did not understand.
Are you going to make some notes for yourself?
Notes in the sense, sir, I did not get you. Sorry.
Whatever you have learned today, are you going to make some notes on this?
Yes,
are you going to make some notes, whatever I have taught you today, or you will think that you remember everything?
No, it's not like that. It was definitely a learning experience, so that definitely I'll make a note of it.
Okay, please, because remember, the biggest gift God has given us is to forget things. You think that you remember everything, but you think that you'll remember everything, but we are not good at that. God has given us the capacity to forget things.
Yes, we do. We are humans, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Can I speak to Sharon Priya ji, please? Dr. Sharon Priya. Anyone else come online, please? Would like to come online?
Sir, this is Professor Lakshmi.
Yes, Professor. Good morning. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Good morning. The communication and connection, that is very much impressive, sir. So that is the point we need to focus also. People are not very much particular about connection. That is why our communication is lacking. So if we are concentrating on the communication, automatically connection will also improve. So that is the takeaway message. So that I will share with my students also. So that is the thing I am well appreciating in this session, sir. Thank you very much.
So Lakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Focus on connection, not on communication.
Yes, sir.
You reverse.
So, communication is the basis of connection, is it no, sir? After
no. Communication is the process, and result is connection. So if see, for example, if you have to come from Chennai to Delhi.
Okay.
Where are you based? You are based where? Chennai or where?
Madurai.
And where is your mother lives?
My mother lives in Tirunelveli.
So another district. Okay. So when you have to go to see your mother, what is the goal? I have to reach there.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Then whether you go by car, you go by flight, you go by helicopter, you go by bus, that is the process. That is the medium you take.
Okay.
So when the end result is connection, what happens? You automatically change your communication.
Okay.
See, when you receive a guest at home, what you do? Depending on the relationship with your guest, you make preparations.
Yes, sir.
Am I right or wrong? So
Yes, sir.
work on your connection. Communication will automatically become softer.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. So
See, when
connection
you
we need to establish first. Automatically communication will happen.
improve, yeah. When you like someone, you automatically work on that. But if you don't like someone, automatically your communication goes down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is true.
Yeah. So work on connection.
Ah.
Work on connection. Communication will follow.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, are any of your sessions available on any platform or YouTube, etc., sir?
Sir, hello. Sir has lost his network connection. So we will wait for 5-10 minutes for sir to come back. How is the session by the time, if anyone can say something?
Yeah, madam. This is Chandra Kumar from RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru.
Yes,
it's
sir.
a nice session, nice initiative, and we hope to have a long-term association in terms of attending more of such programs. Thank you, madam.
Sure, sir. Next session I'm planning for mainly focused on leadership. So I think that will help you out, all the faculties. So I'll let you know. We will keep informing, sir. We have your email ID.
Madam, shall we
Thank
get
you,
it
madam.
the yesterday recorded session, madam?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is available in our YouTube channel. You can go there and you can have a look on that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Nice sessions, madam. Nice sessions.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Since yesterday we are facing lot of connectivity problem actually from the speaker side. It's reverse now. कैसा है मुनमुन?
Maybe in the future we can have a offline physical sessions sometime in the future, madam. Hopefully.
Yeah, once this lockdown finishes, then we can have this offline sessions. Now, though, it is not permitted. No, more than 50 people are not permitted. Yes, Adityan. How was the session?
Session was nice.
Why you are not publishing your book?
Only the so it need I'm not getting enough time to work on it actually. I need a lot of time.
It's okay. Once in a while, you finish it and publish it.
Go on. Yeah, sure, man. I'll take this as an inspiration and do it once. Yeah.
This is going to be your first book, na?
And yeah, man.
So publish it.
Actually, but I haven't completed it actually. Another thing is like I think when I was communicating with the sir, actually what he was telling I was not able to hear actually. I'm talking what he was telling I'm not able to hear, and what I'm talking I don't know the signal issues there actually.
In fact, Adityan, from your side also there is a lot of connectivity problem. I am also not able to hear you properly.
Yeah, in our place actually. Normal class also having the same, facing the same problem. Actually. Singing classes.
Yeah.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Our next speaker is connecting. So if sir is not able to connect again, then we will start our next session. So he is also trying to connect. We'll just wait for 5-10 minutes. You set a deadline, Adityan, for your publication.
Yeah.
शाहिदा है या चालू करके चली गई? शाहिदा शाहिदा.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. If you were telling something, you're not able to hear you. Signal issue.
Yeah, signal issue. Yes, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sir, good morning, sir. I am not able to see you, sir.
No, I'm not switched on because of all signals are bad.
Yeah.
Idea of any point, I mean any information about my request.
Sir, which request, sir?
Yesterday I requested you the what are the issues they are facing, so that in teaching learning, so that I can connect and focus in that area.
No, sir. Actually, we did not get the time to ask the participants. Yesterday, we had a tough time with the internet issues, sir.
Yeah,
So probably today we will. Yeah, today, unfortunately, it is. Yesterday also it was from speaker side. Today also it is from speaker side only.
Yeah.
So we are just trying to cover up that, sir. Our next session is going to start. I have asked the next speaker to join. So,
okay, let's see. Thank you.
I'll try to ask them today, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
How to come out?
We have arranged one lecture, Adapting Adult Learning Approaches. So this is for all the participants. If you have any, sir, Shankar Gupta sir wants, Kripa Shankar Gupta sir wants to know if what are the challenges you are facing. So you can drop a message in my WhatsApp group, that is STTP group, so that I can forward to him. Somebody has raised the hand. I don't know.
Hi, Dr. Hamza, are you there? Can you hear me?
Somebody has raised the hand. You can unmute and directly speak.
Dr. Hamza, can you hear me?
I think candidates from Bangladesh were able to join today. Can I see all of them? Candidates from participants from Bangladesh. Yes, sir. Iftekhar sir. I think yesterday you all were facing problem in joining, right?
Yes, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Your voice is too low, sir. We are not able to hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's okay, sir.
Okay, I was trying to. Dr. Hamza, I was trying to join your WhatsApp group, but
Okay.
I don't know how to do that. Can you please help me?
Yeah, because WhatsApp group is quite easy way of communicating. Yesterday I saw 2-3 messages that you were not able to join.
So how can I connect? Like, I just connect to the number you have given, or is it